have a look around. Taking a hearing test is very easy. Before the test, I'll have a look inside your ears and ask a few questions to rule out any red flags that may require a referral to a medical doctor. Then, I'll take these headphones and place them over your ears and hand you the response button. I'll begin to play different frequency tones at various decibel levels, one ear at a time. All you have to do is press the button every time you hear the tone. After a thorough hearing test, I will bring you then into the next room where we will go over the hearing test results and answer any questions you have. Thanks for watching.